Ibotta usually requires either a receipt scan or purchase linking through a connected account, which is why no-scan cashback only works when the purchase is already tied to your account before checkout. By the end of this, you'll know how to earn Ibotta Cashback without scanning receipts, what actually triggers automatic rewards, and where people lose cashback without realizing it. First, understand the core system. Ibotta doesn't pay based on what you bought alone. It pays based on proof of purchase, either through receipt verification or linked account tracking. The main way to get cashback without scanning is using in-app online offers or linked retailer accounts. These let Ibotta track your purchase automatically when you shop through a partner store. For online shopping, open the Ibotta app and activate an offer before clicking through to the retailer. When you complete the purchase in the same session, Ibotta records the transaction without needing a receipt upload. Some retailers also allow account linking. This connects your store loyalty account to Ibotta, so purchases are tracked automatically when you use your phone number or loyalty ID at checkout. In physical stores, true no-scan cashback only happens when your loyalty account is linked, and the store supports automatic receipt matching data. If that setup isn't active, you'll still need to scan a receipt. Another important detail is timing. If you shop first and try to activate the offer afterward, most purchases won't qualify for automatic cashback because the tracking step was never started. Certain categories also matter. Offers tied to specific brands or products are more likely to track automatically when linked correctly, while general in-store promotions usually require receipt submission. If a purchase doesn't show up, Ibotta gives a limited window to submit a missing claim, but that often requires a receipt, which defeats the no-scan method. To make this work reliably, the setup is more important than the purchase itself. Your account, retailer link, and offer activation all have to happen before checkout. Quick summary. No-scan cashback only works through linked accounts or online tracking. Timing before purchase is critical, and unlinked purchases usually require receipts. Next step is simple. Open Ibotta, link at least one supported retailer account, and test a small online purchase to confirm automatic cashback is working. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns that show how cashback systems actually work without confusion.